For more than 50 years, people were told that replacing butter with margarine was one of the smartest decisions they could make for their heart. This message was repeated so often that it became accepted as fact. Doctors said it during checkups, hospitals served it on meal trays, and television advertisements showed smiling families spreading it on toast. Yellow tubs promised lower cholesterol, cleaner arteries, and a longer, healthier life. Entire generations trusted that advice without question, believing it was backed by solid science and concern for public health. What most people were never told is that this advice was based on incomplete science and powerful industry influence, not on a deep understanding of how the human body actually ages and heals after 60. Early research focused narrowly on cholesterol numbers, not on inflammation, gut health, brain aging, or long-term metabolic damage. Even worse, the studies that questioned margarine and processed oils were quietly ignored, buried, or dismissed, while marketing budgets continued to grow. As food manufacturing became more industrialized, butter was labeled dangerous because of its saturated fat content. At the same time, plant-based spreads were presented as modern, scientific, and heart-friendly. The word vegetable made them sound natural and safe. But what was rarely explained is that many of these spreads were not made from whole vegetables at all. They were created from heavily refined seed oils, stripped of nutrients, chemically altered, and combined with additives to mimic the taste and texture of real butter. To make these products shelf-stable and spreadable, manufacturers added emulsifiers, stabilizers, preservatives, artificial colors, and synthetic fats. These substances were never part of the human diet throughout history. The body does not recognize them as food in the same way it recognizes natural fats. Over time, especially in seniors, these compounds quietly contribute to chronic inflammation, gut irritation, joint stiffness, insulin resistance, and hormonal imbalance. Many older adults experience these symptoms daily without realizing their spread may be a contributing factor. One of the most misunderstood products is whipped butter blends. Many seniors choose these believing they are lighter, healthier, and easier on digestion. The texture feels airy, and the label often shows fewer calories per serving. But whipped butter blends are often diluted with water and air, which weakens the structure of the fat. To hold everything together, manufacturers rely on chemical emulsifiers and stabilizers. These additives irritate the intestinal lining, particularly in older adults whose digestive enzyme production naturally declines with age. Over time, this irritation disrupts nutrient absorption and triggers low-grade inflammation throughout the body. Seniors who consume whipped butter blends regularly often report bloating, discomfort after meals, unexplained fatigue, and a heavy feeling that lingers for hours. These symptoms are frequently blamed on aging, but they often improve when the additives are removed. Another widely recommended product is margarine fortified with plant sterols. These spreads are often prescribed to lower cholesterol, and on paper, they appear effective. LDL cholesterol numbers may drop, and doctors may feel reassured. However, what those numbers do not show is what happens inside the body over time. Plant sterols interfere with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining strong bones, a resilient immune system, healthy vision, flexible arteries, and proper blood clotting. After 60, deficiencies in these nutrients become far more dangerous. Blocking their absorption increases fracture risk, accelerates osteoporosis, weakens immunity, worsens night vision, and contributes to arterial stiffness. Many seniors experience falls, infections, and vision decline without realizing that their heart-healthy spread may be part of the problem. Olive oil spread blends are another product that sounds healthy but often delivers the opposite effect. The packaging shows olives, sunshine, and Mediterranean imagery, suggesting longevity and heart protection. In reality, most olive oil spreads contain very little actual olive oil. Instead, they are made primarily from cheaper seed oils such as canola, soybean, or sunflower oil. These oils are extremely high in omega-6 fatty acids. While small amounts are necessary, excess omega-6 promotes inflammation, especially when not balanced with omega-3 south. The industrial process, used to make these oils solid at room temperature, also creates oxidative byproducts that damage mitochondria. Mitochondria are responsible for producing cellular energy, and when they are damaged, seniors experience fatigue, joint pain, muscle weakness, and slower recovery. The most harmful option of all is low-fat butter substitutes. These products promise the taste of butter without the calories, targeting seniors worried about weight gain and heart disease. But fat is replaced with starches, gums, and sugars that spike blood sugar faster than white bread. These spikes strain the pancreas, worsen insulin resistance, and feed harmful gut bacteria. Healthy fats are essential for brain structure and nerve protection. The brain is nearly 60% fat, and when seniors consistently avoid fat, the brain is slowly deprived of its building materials. Myelin, the protective coating around nerve cells, begins to deteriorate. Over time, this accelerates memory loss, slower thinking, mood instability, anxiety, and depression. These changes are often treated with medication, while the dietary cause remains unaddressed. In contrast, real butter, when sourced and used correctly, can be deeply supportive of senior health. Cultured grass-fed butter undergoes fermentation that produces beneficial compounds such as butyrate. Butyrate feeds the cells lining the colon, strengthens the gut barrier, and reduces inflammation throughout the body. A healthy gut is directly connected to better immunity, improved mood, and reduced joint pain. Cultured butter also provides vitamin K2, a nutrient many seniors lack. Vitamin K2 helps move calcium out of arteries and into bones. This supports heart health while simultaneously strengthening the skeleton. Seniors who include cultured grass-fed butter regularly often notice better digestion, improved blood sugar control, and reduced abdominal fat without restrictive dieting. Ghee made from grass-fed cows is another powerful option, especially for seniors with digestive sensitivity. Because ghee is clarified, it contains no lactose or milk proteins. It is gentle on the stomach and easy to absorb. Ghee is rich in butyric acid, which repairs the gut lining and supports immune resilience. It also contains highly bioavailable vitamins A, D, E, and K. Ghee has a high smoke point, making it ideal for cooking without producing toxic compounds. Research has shown that grass-fed ghee can reduce visceral fat and support liver health. A healthy liver is essential for hormone balance, detoxification, and energy production, all of which decline with age. Raw butter from pasture-raised cows offers benefits that pasteurized butter cannot. It contains natural enzymes and beneficial bacteria that support digestion and joint flexibility. Raw butter is exceptionally rich in conjugated linoleic acid and omega-3 fatty acids, which help calm inflammation and support cardiovascular flexibility. When sourced safely, raw butter has been linked to improved arterial health and reduced biological aging markers. The most powerful option available today is grass-fed butter enhanced with vitamin D3 and K2. This combination addresses two of the most widespread deficiencies in seniors. Vitamin D supports immune strength, mood, muscle function, and calcium absorption. Vitamin K2 ensures that calcium strengthens bones instead of hardening arteries. Delivered in butter, these nutrients are absorbed efficiently and consistently. Ultimately, the spread you use every day is not a small decision. It is a daily message to your body. It can signal inflammation and decline, or nourishment and repair. For decades, people were taught to fear natural fats and trust laboratory-created substitutes. Today, science is finally confirming what earlier generations knew intuitively. The choice you make at your next meal can influence your brain clarity, joint comfort, heart resilience, digestion, and energy levels for years to come. Knowledge gives you power, but action gives you results. If this video helped you understand food in a new way, and if you want honest, senior-focused health wisdom without hype or fear, make sure you subscribe to Senior Wisdom Daily. We share simple truths, practical guidance, and timeless knowledge to help you stay strong, sharp, and independent. Subscribe now, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.